Hi guys and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. The 2022 Essentials goodie bag from Cultbeauty just arrived. Yay! I don't know how to explain it, but I have a positive vibe about all the Cultbeauty goodie bags, and the 2022 Essentials is the first goodie bag from this year, and I have huge expectations. The 2022 Essentials goodie bag, worth over £250, contains 22 Cultbeauty favorite brands, including 7 full-size products. Okay guys, that being said, let's dig in to find the treats. First I took out a product from the brand Codex Beauty Labs. I never heard about this brand before. Via Hydrating Skin Superfood is a face and body hydrating cream, is made 99% natural origin ingredients, is vegan and cruelty free. Second product I took out is from Frank Body, In Your Dreams, Sleep Scrub and Soak. Frank Body is a new brand for me. I never tried their products. As I can see, it has a lavender scent, which I like. Is made in Australia, is vegan and cruelty free, which again is great. Third, we find the Cultbeauty holographic makeup bag. I will be honest, this bag looks stunning, is eye-catching, is big enough to store your products, perfect when you're traveling, really nice makeup bag. Next we find a face mask from the brand Pie, Resurrection Girl Hydrating Mask. This rich gel mask will hydrate, will revitalize, will brighten and will smooth the skin. And this product is made 100% natural origin ingredients. 92.35% of them are organic. Pie is a great brand. I tried a couple of products from them and I like them. Now I'm using a face oil with ceramides from Pie and is lovely. Very happy to try this face mask. Next we find a face cream from the brand It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream, Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Is an anti-aging face cream that will moisturize, will reduce the look of pores, will firm, will rejuvenate the skin. If to believe a brand, this cream is everything I need. Here we have a product from Espa, Clean and Green Detox Mask, Skin Nutrient Mask to purify, balance and refine. This nutrient-rich deep cleansing mask clarifies for brighter looking skin. I know that a lot of people love this brand, but for me Espa is still a brand that I am not sure I like it. The most I'm not in love with their scents, too strong for me. Murad Environmental Shield Vita C Triple Exfoliating Facial is a chemical exfoliant that needs to be used 2 or 3 times per week. Next we find a product which I already have, is from Huda Beauty, Eyeliner Quick and Easy. This is mine. Well guys, this eyeliner has both good and bad sides. From the good sides, I like that it has a brush applicator and is small, is pointy and precise. Another good thing is that it's drying out fast and it has a matte finish. But what I don't like in this eyeliner is that when you start to use it, is not powerful enough to do the whole eye. Somewhere in the middle of your eyelid you need to stop, to shake it, wait a little bit and after continue with your line. Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer is a good face primer. I used it in the past and was okay. I cannot say that I saw a huge difference on how my foundation was applying when I use it. It's entirely up to you. If you use makeup primers, then I think you will like it. Next we find a hair product from Philip Kingsley, Bond Builder. Is a treatment to strengthening the heavily processed hair to stand stronger and smoother. Here we have a product that I tried it before, is from Nature Lab, Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. I didn't like it. but my husband liked it a lot. Next product is from pharmacy, Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Face Moisturizer. Is an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin. I was looking at this face moisturizer. I'm really happy that I have a chance to try it before buying the full-size product. Malin Plus Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer is a lightweight moisturizer that will hydrate, balance and calm all skin types. Next we have 1999 Precision Color Pencil. This pencil may be used all over your face, on the lips, on the cheeks, on the eyes. It's entirely up to you. Ooh, we have two pencils inside. One is in the shade Voros and one is in the shade Lustro. I already have a 1999 pencil in the shade Neutra and is lovely, is creamy, is long lasting, very good pencil. And now I have two more in my collection. I am not sure with the red one, but the golden one is lovely. Biossance Squalane Plus Hyaluronic Toning Mist. Mist tones, hydrate and balance skin. Is suitable for all skin types and is non-comedogenic. Algenist, I hope I spell it right, Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm with Multipeptide Complex. This eye cream contains hyaluronic acid, which will smooth fine lines and wrinkles. Next product is from the brand About Face, Light Lock Stick. If I am not wrong, is a highlighter. Mine arrived broken. Let's swatch it, at least we will see the shade. The shade that I got is called Please Indulge Me. Next product is a hair mask from the brand Biojo, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I found the same one in the 2021 Cultbeauty Advent Calendar and was amazing. Very happy that I got another one. Next we find another hair product. This time we have a leave-in conditioner from the brand OY. It's a leave-in mist that will smooth, soften and detangle hair. Shiny Darden Retinol Reform is a retinol face serum that will improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops is a hydrating face serum which contains niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and vitamin-rich watermelon. Next we find a mini Afterglow lip balm from NARS in the shade Dolce Vita. The shade looks dark but is not. I have this lip balm from NARS. Mine is in the shade Orgasm and is lovely, is lightweight and it has a beautiful sheen. Let's see the shade, exactly how I thought that will be. Really beautiful and shiny. And the last product that we find is from Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gel Patches. Okay, beautiful people, and here are all the products from the 2022 Essentials goodie bag from Cultbeauty. What do you think? Personally, I like what I found. I am thrilled. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!